So my people, may have some things for share with you know, because one of Maka Diamond friend, our closest friend, we share a video with Uno the other day where she exposed Maka Diamond and said she go come back, come expose Maka Diamond some more. See, so right now my people, she have some more things to say about Maka Diamond and also Derrick, cause she and Derrick kick off also. So I'm gonna make you hear what she have to say. And only your friend them know your secret, right? Also my people, I don't know if you know Sunshine, but I wanna bring a people them, and she and a next person, I don't remember who, come fi bring a ex-man for what him do to her, and now him a apologize and I say this and that. So them are going to explain why him come apologize. You see me I say? So we're going to get into that also my people, and Shebada have something to say about like the situation with this youth, yeah. I think a Sicily them friend, right? Him name Dummy Dan. And I have some other clips where I go show you with him, because some disturbing things are going on with him and all my people. Say him do whatever to him girl, him wife, him ex-wife. I don't know if them divorced, but I go share what go on. You see me I say? Cause them say him lick her up or something. Deal with her away. Me even want to show the next video with him, with like the wife, I show some things where him do her. So we're gonna get into all of that, and also Shebada talk about the lion man and the little rumor war grown. So we're gonna get into it now, people. We're gonna kick it off with Sunshine, and then we get in at the rest.
Una try to drag the woman, I don't want the woman position.
Sunshine.
Yeah.
Yes, no, I'm tell you why I apologize, because when I try to do it, this is saying a workout. Because I look for everybody not deal with her.
Yeah.
And I look at Claude, you know. So
Yeah.
it no work. It just no work.
All of them would do it, them things say it go work, and everybody go against Blinger. When them see all people say them a Blinger hater, them go stand with Blinger now, and them a go love Blinger now just because of this. You know how much people them make turn them back against them and turn to Blinger now? Because them stupid as woman. Why would we as woman want to stay with a little boy and tear down a next woman? And a woman will help you know the fuck out of them. They said them that beat Blinger with the truth. No, but them a beat her with lies.
Right.
Them a beat the woman with lies. And then them sit down and I say, one, send video, drop video $30. To
and the whole of them are talking about video not have no face.
Not have no face, and I tell lie on the woman.
I hear look thinking people remember who see it with face. Like them I tell cause face see the on it. They don't want to send out the one without the face.
Don't worry, look here now. Of course, they said it. They said
it. Me hear they say it. Me hear them say it all over. And people, everybody will see video where out, then can see what the face.
Yes.
So if
put it out because they don't bring her down. What we see.
Yeah, I see the video, but me hear somebody say the video, the person that the video brown and bring a dark.
And I miss Blinger share. Me see video. Alright, share. You see one of them? They put a heart over the person's face, and that gonna be removed. That all of them put cards, them understand, you know, so them don't know that it's me there. Them don't know if you work the media. All of them are going to get trouble, you know, because you see when them go so deep and go dig and go into the woman business and take out the woman husband real government name. All them things that them don't know what them are doing, you know.
You think the lady are idiot?
Make them stay there.
But take face everything?
Yeah, let me tell you something. When them things say, me like how Blinger just come, give them, make them go and enjoy themselves because them don't know what's coming to them.
Right.
And they are doing the right thing. You know, need
the right thing.
You need to come tell nobody this, that. You just know, so you just stay humble and do the right thing because it's a serious thing this going on and them think it's a joke, you know.
Sunshine. I can't wait for hear what reach them. Auntie, me I tell you, a 3 million smaddy I want to get it in America, man. Them two
when they blessings or something like that. Who is she?
Who?
What's your name?
Blessing or something like that. Blessing. She always over one box over so. And she did afraid if talk man something what the and say, oh, me live America, me no want lawsuit. Blessing or something. Blessing, such a name. Blessing. She always over the batty boy box. But him don't bring up every live where you go on with she. No, sir.
Me says,
Yeah,
Auntie
one way
Sunshine. Mo bling a deal with Sky.
Jesus Christ, not that. You should depend on
I mean, she depend now. Me know.
Yeah, because you should depend you and about how you go there with your patient and she reach out to Destiny for Destiny, complain to your workplace.
Me see everything, but
See somebody named Bless Munchie. That's somebody there. Me no know who bring a do that or who bring a name for
Sunshine, when they reach out and then do what them are, the way to go do to Shay.
he not doing nothing to me. And guess what?
To my sister.
None of them don't know which farm work. Them not know nothing about me. Because
I need to go do is
Don't worry, because the person who get in trouble, the person who get in trouble, them feel them untouchable because them say them are asylum seeker. But
love them. That's why I say me I go deal with them and them don't know where I come. That's why I do it under quiet. That's why I no back and forth to them until Sunshine come and say me I go deal with who don't even know where I come. They go nice present.
No go back and forth. It's like
go back and forth with them. Them presents I go sweet.
Yeah, it's like come and say, it's okay, me finish. It's alright, I'm not having no fear.
Yeah, she said she done. Yeah, she said she
so, you see? Right, so we don't just build a silence and do the thing, man, because I think they can solve, man. We don't have to come out from the media, come
girl, don't call my name. No comments.
Don't come cut, don't say anything.
No, I'm not go back and forth to that. I just do me go start out she.
No worry, your auntie there. Remember in America, I'm there, no man. Now I'm chairman, she. No worry. Don't worry, because then I'll get what coming to them. And when them least expect, and I hope, say, nobody pan the media, nobody come about them wicked, them this, them that.
Okay.
Remember, if you realize and say,
okay then.
I say, them wicked, when time they be a drag blinger, and when she a drag she, and she a drag me.
That me no want them to Sunshine. Me no want nobody cry. Help, cry, or not cry. No play same way. We are clear.
Yeah, man.
We are clear.
Yeah, boy. You have to understand the first laugh and a laugh. Hear that? You hear that?
That me know, lucky boy. That me know. My mother always tell me that.
Shay, you know, see a karma reach them blood clot 1 by 1, 2 by 2. One by
laugh,
2
for
by
the best
2.
laugh.
You can't share. You see, when them sit down and them things so them can't get bring a spot, them realize them can't get it. No, them cool up because them realize say Jesus Christ.
Some people, as me say, so when it come to Blinger X-Man, me say he mash up himself and him don't even know. So all when him go come and try to fix up whatever, I don't think it a go work for him. You see, because him done make a F up decision already and do what him do. So the only person right now when me feel like say can bring him back certain way are if Blinger give him back the strength. But I don't feel like nobody I go really kinda, you know what I mean, give him the strength certain way, because you know what them are going to say? Them are going to say is a youth were ungrateful, and when anything happen, him are going to come try bring it down. And that a no man ways, a woman thing that, you see me, so he mess up himself still. Big woman thing, him should come out, and then now, them a take different people, things, and a send you out, say a blinger, and this messy me people. Make a watch some more.
What we do? We raise up our ants nest. Can everybody come out? And it's
Sunshine.
Just unfair.
Sunshine, 10 Tory now, and they don't know, say to them, they put my life, and the people them gather up over there. And with them over there, reason, remember when me say, tell the local blood clot, 3 blind mice, tell one of them to jump up in the house, and one to turn on in camera, make me see. You know, say people then go report me like Sunshine. I don't know the hard me I tell them for the Sunshine. And me I tell the one where the mother for them jump up in our house. And me I tell the other one say if he come up. I don't know the hard. Me not tell them say if we go take out no store.
One next
stop using hard plate.
One next woman there, me don't know bring on a door or nothing. Me know that for sure, but she live from bling a day and night. She go over there so 2 back she always in her house bling. I don't know what she name big Me don't know if a big B or what she name, but she ever dey pan blinger. I mean I say, what blinger do to this woman? The woman
must
do
one girl will bring a black sunshine. Bring a must be black cara for her life. You know the girl them hurt when they get a black, you know. The girl them carry all heap of feelings and bring a black them. But then I bring a black one still at the moderator them like me. My black one blood clot. I'm not like
them. So I went to them about Miss UK black and their skin.
Me already talked to Bling already, you know. Shame me just want you just don't argue. Just humble yourself and build in silence, girl.
Yeah, that me do.
Yeah, man, building a
That me
silence.
do.
Because silence are the key, you know. Okay, see?
Right.
They tell them a drag me. Remember, tell them a drag me and I say me a kill this married woman because me a support woman who commit adultery.
yes, I saw the stinking raccoon, they say sunshine for
And
the
if they
life.
want, and if they want find a woman empowerment, go look for that kill this one by yourself with one bag of kill this married woman. That's okay. Me not answer nobody. Me know how to deal with my things.
Sunshine, listen up, we're not arguing no girl, we're coming at the big land of opportunity and then of living up shop. We're not supposed to argue with them girl and then girl we are sell for $20. Sunshine, if you argue with them girl and the girl them, we are push up girl looking at them like them push pressure. You can't argue with them girl, sunshine. So at the end of the day, sunshine, we not argue with no blood clot girl. One thing sunshine tell Dan for do is give we a out store and all know you can't be done. All know.
What they
Remember bring a dance sent to you.
you know? They say we can lift up.
They're running on Cassandra?
Me and Cassandra over there, but two them a cuss bling and we are tag wacky people them in and a cuss out their ass. Them I said, me feel lift up all Cassandra at me and I said, true kem. But they not add me in a box, come on, go up the figure when they blessed Munchie see what they not add me.
Munchie want beard
They not bring me. They
Munchie want beard and the feet want brush.
When you man say, oh man, no one bling on the man live with our friend XYZ, me I say, whoa. If I know him a take him man and bling and him no like bling and so. Suppose I did share take the man. But they're not add me up there.
Yeah, they're not add me.
What bling I do on the app, everybody I do it, right? They might go like say bling I tell people say
No, I bling I do it sunshine.
Them a true no man no want enough for them make them move.
Bling a create this for sunshine. Bling in a bills
me I tell them say, me say bling a look I don't worry about it. No man no want for them make them move.
Them both already come, them puff like porridge, it's sold out. Them just have one spot, no hole, no dead, nothing no did there.
No man no want for them front, so they jealous when man want another woman front.
Listen, Miss Bling a ton good young boy and a mad blood clot boy. Wait. Mad boy.
Mad man.
Me say, Godchild, police give me a block. Come here say, me think you are say woman this and the woman that, but look at you over your mother. And you me see a gun, I fasting and prayer. Every day me turn on live and you me see, every day me go live and every day me say, yo, man coming like a church, he might keep her fasting, me I tell you.
So the man upset. The man upset. Because the man not get a Christmas shirt. The man not get a plan.
I'm sorry now, because the next one they come back. You know what? Me done here because if anything happened to him, the people might blame me because me hear say police people them in a film group turn panar now. And I
yes, then this are up wicked sunshine. Then send the girl way up in a one part of one place. A cloud to now look, a cloud to now again.
I don't find the good man and can't get no man. No for them.
Me say, why the whole of them gang up on Miss Blinger? You see, the whole of them a fall one by one.
Let me tell you what it sweet me what they when time people about him I go for an interview. By the man start asking two little nice Christian if I jump off car. He think he man did a come bash him.
No,
he think right with a bring down Blinger. And that him go
there. So I run go straight over down live in jump off east now go. And go here dirty TikTok lawyer say man now ask no good Christian.
But Kem in now go ask no good question because the man ask him one question for different way. The man done so slow.
End the money gun them before my bust it on, yeah. Alright, else me I end the live. Bam, big up your badness. Wanna send the money. I know him a go see this. I know say him a go know the woman when me attack. Him wish one woman happy birthday when they are foreign.
Alright, my people. So more close off the blinger thing. Seeing bet say she and him turn back friend. Me a bet on my people. Me feel like say blinger and that youth I got turn back friend. Because that me see go up on social media most of the time when them kick off, them turn back friend quick. You see me I say? So me feel like say them I got turn back friend. But him still make it bad for himself. You see me? So tell me what you think in the comment section, my people. And this situation now with Maka Diamond and Derrick, this woman here is like him in a it with Maka Diamond, him in a it with Derrick. Seeing, and she right now is like she a tell Derrick where Maka Diamond do him, and I put Maka Diamond against Derrick and Derrick against Maka Diamond to mash up Derrick and Maka Diamond friendship because them are she not in a nothing. So if I me and Derrick, me not listen what she a say, and if me and Maka Diamond, me not listen what she a say because she bitter. That's just my opinion. Me could hear what she have to say.
And she sent Maka $150 for give you ear man. Come make me a reason, man. $150 the lady give Maka thinking mouth to give you man, and she never give you dollar out of the money. Not even dollar she not give you. She said she not give you none. You remember the woman where you tell happy birthday? Yeah, she sent $150. Suspect, you're supposed to get $150 and Maka take the money and don't give it to you to blood clot. What can go so? You remember the woman, cause remember say you're slow, you know, so me have to slow it down for you get it. One money gun people. You remember the woman where you tell happy birthday, where you do the video for and say happy birthday, whatever. And Maka tell me about it, cause me no know about it. And she tell me, so if I lie, me I tell, and she I tell the lie. She said the woman send her $150 to give you. And she said she not give you the money. Another news again, Uncle Stinking Mouth and man. Ah boy. Another news again. One other person send money to your NCB the other day. And Maka say, you say it man, say you don't get the money. And Maka say you get the money and have your man a shop off a Fashion Nova and all of the site them online with the card I spend off the money. And Maka say man, the woman send back the money to you again by your NCB card. You know about that incident there? Talk to me fast. Talk to me fast. No leave nowhere man. You know about that incident there, suspect? Maka say one woman send money by your NCB card and you call her and tell her say you don't get the money. And the woman for resend the money. This is recently, you know. Recently, just what day. And you tell the woman for resend the money. And Maka says she know in herself say you get the money because your young boy where you mine of the card a shop and Fashion Nova. And I spend off the money. And you tell Maka say to tell the woman to send back the money on the card again. Cause you don't see the money. Cause you can't see the money, you know. Cause through your man has spend off the money on the card, you not go see it. The young boy has spent off the money on the card. So you not go see the money. So Maka said the woman send back the money again for avoid argument. So you get double money. You know about that incident, the suspect? Let me know. Cause one girl can't tell so much lie. People, remember me tell you say fear time I come fin bring her down, you know. Our time coming very shortly. Me a anger them. Very calm, me a anger them. One another story me a getting now, guys. One more money gun for that story, yeah. One more money gun for that story, yeah, with Uncle It. One more money gun for that story, yeah, with Uncle It out. Manares. Minares. Minares. So if you don't want to hear that story, yeah, alright, Bammy. Story shall be spoken, you know. May I come? May I come? Let me drink the soup 1 second. Go and go bathe in the rain and don't come back. I better you not come back in a auntie. Go and go bathe and not come back. Cause that one ya, serious. It's serious. I got cola. Very, very serious. I'm just a wait for see the money go and swipe across the screen for continue. China man, you can come after. That one you serious people, una go shame. Yap, a whole heap of things I keep. You always late. Whole heap of things I keep over here. Alright, my seat come up. Me can't talk. Alright. But me still need the money gun, Bem Bem. Thank you. Anyways, guys on TikTok. Guys on TikTok world. Uno never know say Derrick homeless. And Derrick take up him money we wanna take and give him a week time and rent young boy house support more. Uno never know that, guys on TikTok. Me blood clot to not joke and a ramp with on a live. Breaking news, guys on TikTok. You guys never know say Derrick rent room for boy a Portmore while him no live nowhere. Hey, hey, how the blood clot this? How the blood clot this? Then I saw the whole of over here did full like a me. Una never know that. People, una never know that. Hey, me belly bottom. People, una never know say Uncle E I take una money when una send it. And a mine man, where my pay man rent a month time a Portmore. Hey, what is this? And me una really come out? And me una really come out? I'ma have on a file?
I want to see a fish. You don't like woman?
Put out statement about ways. Both way. What you mean by that? Then come show your beat up where you get now. Come show your scars where you get like how the girl come show where you do to her. Come show what she do you then. Them now worry no man, Shani.
Woman straight there, man. And only weak man. I say weak man.
He's a weak man. Your mother user. Go ring out your mother. And go look at blood clot identity. Go suck your mother and all a black day.
So a woman just now we are talking about Derrick and Maka Diamond. She just a look some social media fame. You see me? I just let me feel like say she a look a boss on social media. I hear she say she want gifts for talk and all these things. So she a look a boss. You know what I mean? But this a situation you know more people. Yo, me see a video with the girl like her and thing wrap up whole heap of sitting, you know what I mean? We sure say yo are some rough knockings she get from this youth, yeah. You see me I say? So here the woman, the girl just now I say him say a both ways ago. He can't go both ways. You know what I mean? And there's no way a man have to do a woman them type of thing there. Oh, me see the woman thing. Me can't show it by here some people. You see me? There's no way. If a man and him woman catch up, cause teeth and tongue meet sometime and it turn in a situation where enough it turn in a way of it, you know what I mean, knock your woman at one time. You see me? But the way you not supposed to left no mark virgin. You see me I say? So this youth I don't know how him can explain what go on, but the picture and the video where the woman show, it tells it all the people, although you can't listen to one side of the story, but me not lie, it look a way. Me don't know how him can explain this, but he need to come say something. The woman went up on the live just now, him say about ways it go, but that look extreme people, that look like him deal with her a way. So we could watch some more.
So how you get hypocrite and get talk man
You're fake. Suck your mother.
move themselves. No matter if amount of man nothing man. I see some man who get love licking about amount of man beat man can't love lick. No sense, no fool. A weak man that a woman's strength may have. My spirit not taking me there cause to me he's a batty man. Don't mean he's a batty man. Don't make disrespect woman. How me can like a man when disrespect woman so much? Me can't like a man when disrespect woman. No, I want to tell the boys I'm a batty man. Long time I want this kind of scream because long time I want to tell dummy say dummy. Man, if man him fi go down, dummy have to go down. Cause I don't know some of them people have no sense. Look into the girl. I know same talk and then revise that. But you see, people listen how the man talk. I don't dumb so don't talk, so you can see us changing vice a little bit. Me no wanna say talk.
So no, people when they ask say what could have be a possible reason. But me I said people just change after you come.
But Lisa, sometimes you know, we as women we sometimes we have that little man temper there not between the two. We know say we are help the person too. Sometimes we go on like say we want to control them too, you know. She good at evil. So you have two sides to our story, you know. You have two sides to our story. We can't just bash dummy, me not gonna bash dummy and say, oh, this man that maybe she could have fatigue boy too.
Listen,
look at where she put out to Lisa to say and bring him down.
Alright, let me ask you one question, you know.
Yeah.
Bree, you know, say I don't know justify him. Tell that man to show me evil when I feel me with the woman cut. Eh? I don't know justify him, you know, because you see the woman cut without clear evidence. Listen, Bree. Listen, if you hear this woman say, Bree. You hear say the man hold all pie. You hear say the man hold all pie.
I never hear them something. Them remember say me come late.
Oh, you got blood. Yeah, Jesus.
He has the option to walk away. Well, on the IRS, may I tell you, you have some woman who you want to lick you. Can I see that happen already with my brother?
Yes, but the same way she can report it, he can report it too.
But don't me out of the door. I don't know where the man come from now.
What I saw in the video, that not justify him right now. Cause there ain't no way you will take up something that big for like somebody.
And then don't me then go on like said that's why me
come like it's a breakup.
My spirit never really took this thing.
Oh, me gonna say walk away, but alright, what if the person no walk away? Okay, you scratch me with my fingernail and you scratch me back, okay, we just cut it off right there, so but you gotta deal with a woman like a one man, like a one monster, like make it make sense. We not go no button but me I say if you not get like you know one physical tussle, then you can understand. But the way how you deal with this woman like a one man, not one, not two, but 3 times. Let me just imagine if I in Jamaica that poor woman in there with you. Like make it make sense. Like sir, we can't stand with you upon that one here. This is so not nice. How could you have one you know what me can't understand with them man here? You lie down beside me. Baby, I love you. There is nobody like you. But tomorrow morning, I'm like, how we do that? Eh? The same person where you walk down the aisle and go tell pastor, say, feel better, feel worse. Like, you don't forget to no vows. This lady I try to help you. Look at life this way. Your profession now is the on TikTok there. Taps and roses, guy, catch your roses, taps and roses. How long is TikTok gonna be around? Like, make it make sense.
Nice, Ramesh. Yeah, Rom. Love your outfit, Rom. Nice. Yeah, Ron. Jaden, I've been tell you say a prank. Don't take it like a prank, yeah? Don't take it like a prank. Bad mind is active. Bad mind they are gym and lift weights. Don't take it like a prank. You see, if Italy can come up with a worldwide prank like that, you might go draw people to believe and grant the freedom and the privilege to say this. Jaden, don't go back there. You now listen to Queenie sing a cappella. What time? What time Queenie sing a cappella? Then when I talk not what a way Swissley, then what kind of party that then Swissley really carry theme husband come for visit theme girlfriend and spend time at them party the world. You know say the world is going back to where it first began. Bling a no sick out, bling a want to no money bout her hip slip out. Make bling a move and
Alright, my people, so same as what the female say when she see the video, she say, yo, there's nothing that a woman can do to get done that, right? So I the same thing me I say, my people, and you hear how much time it happen. So me I try to say to the woman, you know what I mean, or women out there. From it happened the first time, maybe you give a man a chance. But from it happened the second time, a time for you leave. You see what I say? Yes, a time for you leave. And the way how the woman, the pictures them what the woman show in the video and thing, yo, it look like say the man deal with her. Me don't know why she stayed. You see what I say? And him, if him have an issue with her, him should have cut same way. You understand? Him should have stayed. So, me don't know what occurred, what really go on, why that happened, but it should have never reached so far. Him shouldn't do her that, and she should have stick around for him do her that. You see what I say? So, you hear the woman even say the man hold a machine pan her and them way there. Come on. Nah man, that wrong. So me could watch Shebada, you know, my people. Yeah, where Shebada say was Sicily can man figure link him woman with the blood chat Shebada no easy, you know.
I'm going to go lick out. Oh, bling a no do bling a. One epa pasa. I had to fly out leave the information. I had to. Yes. Yeah, blinger, not do blinger. The match between Candy and Donia, I like it. Jaden, let me tell you the truth. Everybody has said King Donia hype. King Donia would have come up a little bit hype for true. However, Jaden, King Donia now do not the way you know do. On the Candy as brother, you want King Donia brother and Candy and Fabi as sister. Sister and brother. Jaden, you and King Donia are brother. Candy and Fabi are brother. You know, say Fabi no string up. Yeah, Fabi no string up good. Every time if I talk about Fabi coming like me at Twitch, there's a glitch. Me a short circuit. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Yeah, Fabi and Candy are uncle and auntie. Uncle and... Look here, Fabi and Candy will come to class the town and tell us some stuff out, you know. I don't know me, man. Candy find somebody else. Fabi coming like this, she should stand alone. Yeah, find somebody else, Candy. I can't put the toner together. And then the turkey wing them for cook tomorrow. Candy, this is too much figuring out for me, you know. Look here, Fabi. Come to the front of the line. Can't bother with it. I really can't bother. One woman see me today and say she be me love how you cuss Queen if you're a big woman, she cry over the young boy. And when I say a woman like Queenie age, you know, say a piece of rage build up in me for cuss Queenie and Queenie not there. But I didn't bother Queenie, I spare you. Yeah. The match did nice for sure. The match did really nice. Me did depend the match, me did watch the match. So Jaden, on the cancer, me now support. When I was watching, I wasn't even tapping, but I was watching. Yeah, at least I watch it. I mean, when nobody come back, come tell me about it. Jaden, you still... And why the people then come here? Why Jaden gifters must make it feel be as if a setup and a robbery and this. If you not go play a match and cuss afterwards, don't play. Jaden, you little bit miserable. He come like he's a sore loser. You know, just lose and go and you use the two and not get the two team, them not get money. Then what are we Fabi she lick down to lion? To lion, Fabi. Let me love. Get a go on. Yes, my love. Fabi, yeah, go and just slap up two lion. They come in and what are we originally? She come out and talk, say she decides that she hardly come live because it gives that a whole heap of things, man. They not so long me a fly. A long time me a fly, man. Yeah. Afghanistan. No, let me tell you this. They lost 2 and they win 1, right? That's fine. You don't, not winning a match doesn't say you're not a #1 ranker. Now, when I put out too much emphasis, when I go take the mark of the beast. When I put out too much emphasis. And Jaden, stop make the kingdom to affect you. #1, if a person not feel it, them just not feel it, Jaden, go ahead. You're lucky me like you, but stop, man. Stop. Wanna make Rosalie Vex and Roger come out back. Stop. Rosalie not too like Jaden, let me tell you something. Yeah, complaints the king done ya. At this and blah blah really. Jaden, stop complaining about how people treating you because you believe that you're everybody a friend. You can talk any form of disrespect to them. Stop. Stop it. It's not a mere beacon call that people will adhere to your emotions. Me beg you, my friend, stop now. Me no want nobody eat you. Stop complaining. Then come here now. Rosalie, she seriously says she stop come live because people not give her. Yeah, man, the gift them get slow. God believe me. Yeah, the gift them get slow. I would advise them for go look at work.
Peanut?
Yeah. She can't sell greater cake this time. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you for a girl?
Greater cake got the pinkish white and the white one? The pink and white mix?
I remember what name saying it told Jamaica Bagnet. You get look like a long time in them out here, but you can't bring back the one with the a greater cake that man, the one with the ready night and the white. The Valentine's. I look at things, she never drop her habit. No, if she pick up the wire with the greater cake, you know. Is this?
She lose the one at me.
I like when she hold it, we say, I like when it's back and she hold it like a tambourine. Yeah, man. At least she gifted.
Boy, my people. Yo, TikTok is not forever. Yes, what I say, you will get a support, but if them don't like what you sell, them not go support you. You see me? And them have to know say, yo, you know say Shebada no say nothing bad a while ago. Shebada and her friend no say nothing, and his friend no say nothing wrong a while ago. You say if Rosalie pick up back the peanut and something and go start sell back, meanwhile she a do her thing, you know say enough people she a go get to come support her. If she take up her peanut selling thing and she not really go the right throughout the day, she just go in the morning to the evening and buy, you know, the night hour she go back her yard, or you know what I mean, she go for half a day, like in the afternoon to in the evening, and then wait there, and she get back some followers, you know. Me I tell you, you know, people come give for her, you know. But not everybody love the disrespect some of the time, and some of the time them take the disrespecting thing too far and feel like say, yo, everybody I gonna love the whole disrespecting thing. I know everybody I gonna love it. You see me? It may work for some people, but it not gonna work for everybody. So me could listen Rose where Shebada have to say some more, my people.
Yeah, but it's not like business is not bloom for true. It's not like yeah. What you say? But if I go back to the match, what you say about the match? She live now. Yeah man, she go live. She video. Let me tell you this. Come here. Let me tell you this about Shay. Let me just tell you about Shay. You see me not care who and Shay catch up on the net, cause somebody inbox me today. Yes, and say me not dey on your IG, so me don't know how to send you one video with Shay. So me have to message back the person and me say, make me tell you this. You see, Shay is a girl that I like and I don't want to see any video. I mean, nah chat the girl cause I like Shay. You understand me? So I don't care Shay out there suck front, lick out batty drink. I like Shay. Let me just say Shay my internet friend. You hear? So when everybody come about Shay, me I go chat blinger. Yeah, me point blank straight. Me I go chat blinger. Me nah go chat Shay. It's when everybody come from a chat Shay, me I go tell Ivan you she want some antibiotic and some sedative cause it's too stiff from Shebada to rest. Yeah. Me nah go nah go make me chat Shay. You get me? So when everybody come boy, you see Shay, I don't want to see my friend video because I'm not looking at my friend them all. I'm not look for my friend them nastiness, I'm not look for my friend them excitement. So, you get what me say? I'm not look for my friend them, I tell you already, I say, I like Shay, I not care if a video, if a picture, if a, what, them have anything? Post. If a teleprompter, intercom, I don't care. Me not chatter. Not chatter.